A very good morning, dear students. Welcome to our English class. Last period we have learned about this lesson. We have completed till up to C. Naiko's mother helped her put on her winter clothes and promised to watch her from the window. You can play until your father comes home, mother said. Her mother said. Her mother said, Naiko, you can play outside. And that's why she helped her to wear the clothes, put on her winter clothes, and she has promised, I'll watch you from the window. After that, you have to return at home until your father comes home. You have to come your home when your father will come. Okay? See, next page. Naiko ran outside to Jack's yard and asked if she could help him finish his snowman. Naiko ran outside and she went to the Jack's yard and she is asking she will help him to make a snowman. Yes, please help me, Jack said. My father will be home from work very soon. Jack said, my father will return very soon. You can help me. Okay, what can I do? Naiko asked, okay, I am going to help. I built my snowman's body with 2 snowballs. I need to roll one more for any snowman said. I am making the snowball. So I need 2 snowballs. I need to roll one more for snowman said. Now I am going to roll the snow. See this snowball? And he rolled the balls. Roll the snow and made a snowball. But snowmen have only 2 snowballs. One is for the body and one is for the head. Naiko said. One snowball is for the body and one for the head. No, snowmen always have 3 snowballs, Jack said. I don't think I need you to help me after all. Jack said, snowmen always have 3 snowballs. After that he said, I don't think I need you to help. I don't need your help, Jack said to Naiko. Jack picked up some snow and made it into small snowball. He got on his knees and rolled the snow away from Naiko's to make the snowman's head. Jack picked up the snow from downside and he sit on his knees. He got on his knees means he sit on his knees. Knees means gudhi. Okay, and rolled the snow away from Naiko's to make snowman's head. He take away the snow from Naiko and he wanted to make head. Naiko walked into her own yard. Naiko walked into her own yard means she returned to her yard, began to build her own snowman, and she decided to make herself own snowman. I don't want to build a snowman with Jack anyway, she thought to herself. I am going to make my own. Naiko was getting angry and she said, I want to build my snowman. So she returned and she went to her yard. She is preparing her own snowman. Naiko rolled 2 big smalls of snow and put them on top of each other. When she finished, she took off her hat and scarf and decorated the snowman. Finally, she found some sticks and pine cones and made her snowman's eyes and mouth and arms. Her mother clapped from the window. Naiko was making her own snowman, and at that time, after completing the snowman she used. She took out her scarf and decorated the snowman. She found finally stick, pine cones. With the help of that snowman eyes, she made the eyes of with the help of pine cones and mouth. She made the arms also. Arm means hands. She made mouth. Her mother clapped from the window. Her mother was cheering her. Good, she is telling. That means. Jack made a hat for his snowman with his bucket. Jack used the bucket to make a head. He used his mother's sewing buttons. He used the buttons, sewing buttons for the eyes and mouth. Lastly, he added a carrot for the snowman nose. Lastly, he added the carrot to make a nose. See this picture, all of you. He used the buttons and carrot for the nose. After he finished, Jack's mother smiled and pointed. His father was driving up the street, and Jack's mother was watching him, and she gave the smile when he made the snowman, and his father was coming to her home. Suddenly, a terrible thing happened. The head fell off Jack's snowman and crashed to the ground. After some time, suddenly, what happened? A head fell off Jack's snowman. Jack's snowman's head fell down and crashed on the ground. Oh no, snowman has fallen apart, Jack said. My father is almost home. He was worried. Oh, my snowman has fallen down. So he get worried. Nico heard Jack's cry and ran over to his yard to see what the problem was. Nico was heard and Jack's cry, and she come to him. What is the problem? She came. What happened? She came and she asked, what happened, Jack? I shall help you roll another snowball, Nico said. Nico said, I am helping you. I will help you if we do it together. If we do together, we can finish it before your father gets home. Your father will come till up to we will finish the snowman. I am going to help you. I am helping you.